Hi everyone, welcome to Zohaib Science. If you're looking to boost your career in AI, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore the top AI courses you should take in 2024 to stay ahead in this fast-evolving field. Let's get started. Introduction to AI courses. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, creating new job opportunities and driving innovation. But to succeed in this field, you need the right knowledge and skills. That's where these top AI courses come in. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, these courses will help you advance your career. Course 1. First on our list is the Machine Learning course by Andrew Ng on Coursera. This is one of the most popular courses out there, and for a good reason. Andrew Ng, a pioneer in AI, breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand lessons. You'll learn about supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and best practices in machine learning. Perfect for beginners. Screenshot of the course page, brief overview of topics covered. Course 2. Next, we have the Deep Learning Specialization by Andrew Ng, also on Coursera. This specialization consists of 5 courses that dive deep into neural networks, convolutional networks, sequence models, and more. If you're looking to specialize in deep learning, this is the course for you. Screenshot of the specialization highlighting key modules. Course 3. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, check out Fast.ai's Practical Deep Learning for Coders. This course is designed to get you coding and building models quickly. It covers everything from basic principles to advanced techniques, all while using real-world examples. Fast.ai course interface, sample project demonstration. Course 4. Lastly, for advanced learners, there's Stanford University's CS2-230N, Convolutional Neural Networks for Visual Recognition. This course focuses on computer vision and the use of deep learning for visual recognition tasks. It's perfect for those aiming to work in fields like autonomous driving or facial recognition technology. Course webpage, highlight of notable projects or research. Conclusion. So there you have it. Our top picks for AI courses to boost your career in 2024. Each of these courses offers something unique, catering to different skill levels and interests. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for tech and career tips. Let us know in the comments which course you're most excited about. Thanks for watching. Music outro, call to action. And remember, if you have any questions or need more recommendations, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to us on our social media channels. We're here to help you on your AI learning journey.